And next, use this beautiful. We need to push it, and then so this is locked. This is locked, and then close it. But this stops difference is between these is when we use this stop, we need to control it first and then ignition it. But this stop is contrast. It's contrast. This stop, as this stop, we need to ignition it. We need to turn it down first. Okay, and then we need to turn it right. You can see the blue flame is out, and the blue flame means this is a high quality fire, and you can control it, control the fire. Okay, and this firepower is very big. Okay, and now the fire is gone. So this is the way how to use it. And take it out. So if you want to take this butane flue out, so we need to turn it down first, and then open it. Next step, we need to pull it out, take it out. Okay, so this is the way how to use it.